Hello guys and welcome back to Syliconn. Today I have the Motorola Android TV, which I think is the best budget Android TV. If you want to buy, the link is in the description, but I'll tell you why I like this. And if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and subscribe to my other channel, Lightyears, if you're into gaming. Whatever, let's get into this. So this is what it looks like once you just switch it on. It shows the Motorola, and then it's starting to show the Android logo right now. Yeah, there we go, Android. And we'll just go through the setup right. So this is what it looks like after setup. You get those apps like inbuilt, Prime Video, Netflix, Live TV, YouTube, and this TV has like really thin bezels, like really. Let's look at multimedia. This is a 4K UHD plus display, that is really clear, and this is a 30-watt speaker by Dolby, so you know how that goes, and it's so loud that you cannot go above the level 30 in volume, otherwise your ears will actually blast. Now it's time for the remote. This is a really long remote with dedicated Google Assistant, YouTube, Media, Google Play, Netflix buttons, and yeah, obviously we are going to test them out. First we are trying the YouTube button. Okay, that works. Now let's try the Netflix button. Okay, yeah, that too works, but you need to sign up or sign in obviously. Next we are trying the media button, so if you connect any USB it'll come. We haven't connected any USB, so yeah. The last but not least, the Google Play Store button. You need to sign in for that. And finally, open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Okay, so that surely works. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, you get a free Motorola game controller. And yeah, let's check it out right now. You got those triggers, and so as you can see, it is out of charge. When it's blinking, it means it's charging. So I'll come back to you once it's done. So it's finished charging. Now I'm going to show you how to connect it to the TV. For switching it on, you have to hold the Motorola logo for 3 seconds and it'll start blinking. And to switch it off, you have to hold the Motorola again for 3 seconds. For the pairing mode, you have to hold the X button and the Motorola button together, and then it'll start rapidly blinking like right now. And then you take the TV remote and go to the settings on the top right hand side, and then go to remotes and accessories and click add accessory. Yeah, and as you can see, gamepad has come now. You click it and it will start the pairing process. So now it's paired, so let's check it out. So if the light is showing on the first one, it's called gaming mode. If you click it, it'll go to second, which is music mode. And if it's in gaming, you can move with joystick like right now. This is the select button, the back button, the side and all. Next is the music mode, which actually gives you a cursor. Which with the left joystick you can move fast, and with the right one you can move slowly. And with those two buttons you can go volume up and down. And with those two buttons you can go fast forward and backwards. So the music mode can be used while watching movies or videos or listening to music, and you can download the games for this in the Play Store. So what better way to test the controller other than playing games? To be truthful, this was a lot of fun. Now it's time for some specifications. This thing comes with quad core processor, 2.5 25 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM, which is the highest RAM I've seen, Dolby Vision cinema technology, DTS surround sound, 30 watt speakers, and 4K UHD plus display. What more do you need? This thing also comes with Google services with Android Pie OS, which is Android 9. And that's why I call this the best budget Android smart TV.